Hi,
How are you?
Everything's good, thank you.
Thank you. Can you tell me more about your shop, please?
Yes, of course. We are from Hungary. I have 24 years experience of this car mechanic field. High-end tools and computers, garage which can repair almost.
What are the services that you are having?
At the moment, we are doing the electrical and mechanical and AC
Jobs.
service.
Is there special rates for the people watching this video?
Yes, of course, we have special rates. So if you just need to come over and I can give you special rate.
Where are you located?
We are located here in Dubai, DIP2, at the Span Precast area.
We will put all the contact details for this workshop at the comment box below. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Dr. Car Channel and mobile application are the best.